welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making catfish pepper soup, and here are the ingredients I'm going to be using for this catfish pepper soup. Today I'm going to be using a new method that I've not tried before, which is garlic and ginger. So I'm also going to be adding full onions to my pepper soup depending on the quantity of pepper soup you're cooking, and my crayfish. Here is my pepper soup spice. I bought already blended because I didn't get the unblended spices, so I have to try this one and see how it goes. I'm also going to be using fresh pepper. I'm using 3 pieces of fresh pepper because I like my pepper soup to be very spicy and tasty. And here is my seasoning cubes, my salt, and my blender that I'm going to be using to blend my ginger, garlic, pepper and onions together. So here is my catfish already sliced and washed, ready to be cooked. At this junction, I want to say a very big thank you to my old subscribers who have subscribed to me and supported me up to this time. I really want to say a very big thank you to you all for subscribing to my channel. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet and you are watching me for the first time, please subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate if you do, and thank you very much, and God bless you. I love you all. So let's start with this cooking. Add your pepper. So I blended my pepper, ginger and garlic together. Add some water to cook. I'm going to be adding my crayfish, seasoning cubes, and salt. I'm adding more water because the water I added before wasn't enough. Add your pepper soup spice. This pepper soup spice really scents and smells nice. I like the scent. So you can see the way I'm stirring it. I'm not stirring too hard so that my fish will not pieces. And we are going to cover to cook for 20 minutes. So the last thing I'm going to add is my scent leaf. So this is scent leaf I use here because we can't see, we don't see our normal Nigeria scent leaf, and this it actually have a very nice scent. Try using it for your pepper soup, or maybe you need you are cooking something that needs scent leaf. Then I think you should try this leaf out. So I'm not going to be needing much because I'm not cooking vegetable soup. I don't know if you heard me. I'm not going to be cooking much because I'm not cooking vegetable soup. And You don't have to like stir your fish much so that you don't have to pieces the fish. Just simple as that's the way I just stir mine. And cover, wait a few minutes, and and I'm done. So now I'm done cooking my catfish pepper soup, and do you know what, it really tastes yummy. I think you should try it out with garlic, ginger and onions. You're gonna love it. And thanks for joining me to cook this pepper soup. One love. Please don't forget to share and like.